All right, we have a complex fraction. So I'm going to factor it, and we are going to do some stuff. On the top here, I'm going to factor. I get 3 out and an x out. Okay? When I do that, I get left with an x right there, plus 3 times something will give me 15, which is 5. Looking at the bottom, okay, I need an x. I need something that's going to multiply to 40, but give me a 3. Well, multiplies of 40 are right this, like 1 and 40, 2 and 20. 3 won't go into it, 4 and 10. 5 will go into it, 5 and 8. Oh, 5 and 8. Boom. I got 5 and I got 8. I need a negative 8 and a positive 5. Those will give me that. So I'm going to dot. Okay, my bottom fraction. Does that need a factor? Nope. So it just goes to the bottom. 5x squared. Okay, that factors into an x plus 8 and an x minus 8. So I get over here x plus 8, x minus 8. So let's set up our restrictions. X cannot equal, looking at this, negative 5 and a positive 8, right? So top fraction, this is my divide by my bottom fraction. It's just a complex fraction, looking at it like that. Okay, right here. Keep the top, I dot, I flip the bottom, right? So flipping these right here, so I look at my restrictions and it has to go back to this fraction. So x plus 8, so I need a negative 8, and over here x minus 8, the restriction on that's going to be a positive 8. So I got those 3 things. So stuff that's going to cancel out. The x plus 5 is going to cancel out, and x minus 8 cancels out. Okay, this is awesome. Look, an x goes away and an x goes away, so I'm left with 3 on the top, x plus 8 on the top, all over a beautiful 5x. This whole thing is my answer. Okay, next thing, same situation. I have a fraction on top, I have a fraction on bottom. So I'm keeping my top fraction, I dot, I flip my bottom fraction. Keep, I dot, I flip, keep, dot, flip. Doesn't matter how you see it. Okay, gonna do factor the top. That one I'm good on. Oh, let's factor the bottom. We've already factored this before. Negative 3, positive 1, and I get x's. So I know right here on the restriction, x can't equal a 3 or a negative 1. Dot. Let's come over here. This top will factor into an x, and I'm going to get an x, right? I need to get to a 6, but I also need to get to a 1. So you know 2 and 3, 1 and 6. What will get me to a 1? The 2 and 3, but I need a negative 1, so I need a negative 3 plus 2. That's what's my bottom. So if that's on the top, that then becomes my bottom. So x minus 3, x plus 2. Seeing some stuff that's going to cancel. When I come here, I need a factor. I need to get to a 5, but get to a 6. So if that things that will multiply to 5 are 1 and 5, they're both positive, I'll get to a 6. So I get x plus 1 on top and x plus 5 on top. Right? Because those are on the bottom, they need a flip to go to the top. So here we go, restrictions, negative 1, I have it, and then I need a negative 5. So let's look at what's going to cancel out. X plus 1, and I'm going to do this in a different color. X plus 1, x plus 1. X plus 2, x plus 2. So on the top, I'm left with this x plus 5. And on the bottom, you have that x minus 3 not once but twice, so you can write it like this. Could you write it out as an x minus 3 times an x minus 3? You betcha.